Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Eshkeneh soup. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to start off with one brown onion. So slice through the middle. And we just want to dice this. And just try to get it as fine as you can. So we'll set the onion to the side for now. And I've just got 4 small sized potatoes here. Now if you're using medium sized potatoes, about 2, maybe 3 will be enough. But since these are small, I'm using 4. So obviously peel them first, slice through the middle, slice lengthways, and we just want to dice it like so. So just like that. Just like so. So now we'll move on to our stove. So just into a pot on a medium heat, we're going to start by adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. And the first thing we'll add in is our onion. And we just want to very lightly cook this on a low to medium heat until our onions have softened up a little. After a few minutes, we'll just add in 1 crushed garlic clove. Next we'll add in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, so at this point, once your onions have softened up, we're going to add in our potatoes. And we'll just top all this up with some cold water. So you basically just want to cover the top with the water. So in my case it's just around 3 cups. And I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of saffron water and about 1 handful of chopped coriander. Now the next ingredient we need to add is fenugreek. In Persian, this is known as shambalile. Now, this isn't the easiest spice to find, especially here in Australia in my case. You can find it in spice places, but supermarkets won't have it. In my case, I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. And we'll just mix that through. So what we're going to do now is put the lid on. And on a low to medium heat, we just want to bring this to the boil, simmer it for around 12 minutes, 15 minutes, until those potatoes are nice and cooked. Okay, so we're at the 15-minute mark now. As you can see, it's started to thicken up, and our potatoes are nice and tender. So that's the result we want. So I'm just going to turn the heat to low now, and we'll add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And the next thing we'll do is crack in 2 full eggs. And basically we just want to cook the egg into it, so just stir that around well. So once the egg has cooked all the way through, we're ready to serve. Now before you serve, just have a quick taste to make sure you're happy with the seasoning, as it's easy to modify that now than after we've served it. And there we have it guys, that's how we make Persian Eshkeneh. So basically it's just a very nice thick soup. And I should also add that it's a vegetarian soup. Not vegan because of the eggs, but it is vegetarian. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.